The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Benson County in northeastern North Dakota, southern Towner County in northeastern North Dakota, southwestern Cavalier County in northeastern North Dakota, northern Ramsey County in northeastern North Dakota, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rugby, or 58 miles northwest of Devil's Lake, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pleasant Lake around 2:35 p.m. Knox around 2:40 p.m. Candu and Martha around 3:05 p.m. Starkweather and Garski around 3:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.